Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today is the first day of our July 2023 new challenge. This month's theme is summer treats. I hope everyone is enjoying their summer. We are in temperatures of over 100 here in Arizona. So this is the time that I like to hibernate and stay in my craft room, and that's exactly what I've been doing, and I've been loving it. Real quick, I'm going to go over the rules of the challenge, and then I'll show you my new release for July 2023, as well as the project that I created. Each month I will post a theme and show a project I made using that theme and showcase my new release of colored dewdrops. You do not have to mail in your project and you do not have to use dewdrops. To enter, do a VR showing your project using the theme of the month. For July 2023, the theme of the month is Summer Treats. Tag me at DoubleClick Connect and use the hashtag DoubleClick Connect Challenge. Leave a comment and be a subscriber. The challenge is open all month long until the next challenge. You may enter as often as you would like. The prize will be a bag of dewdrops, and I will draw a winner each month. This is the prize for July 2023 entries. If you enter, you have a chance to win these dewdrops. I have a variety of different colors in this month's prize. This is not sponsored. You must be 18 years or older, and the prize is for US only, but anyone can enter. If you do not post on YouTube, you can follow and tag me on Instagram. This is a great way to use your stash and meet new crafty friends by searching the hashtag DoubleClick Connect Challenge. I would like to thank everyone that has been entering my challenges. It has been so inspiring to see all of the amazing projects that everyone has been creating. I have enjoyed it so very much. Thank you so much for everyone that has been entering my challenges and for purchasing my dewdrops. We also have a special guest designer this month, Laura at Laura's Plans and Crafts. She is designing for this month's Summer Treats Challenge. Laura, thank you so much for guest designing for me. I will link Laura's channel down below. Please be sure to give her a visit. Check out her Summer Treats project and show her some crafty love. And let's get into our release this month. These are such fun summer colors. We have this mint. We have this light purple. We have this watermelon, and we have this light teal. I love it so much. I have been crafting with these colors, and I love them so much. They just scream summer fun. Here's the project that I created. I have my mint dewdrop right here, and then I have a watermelon one right here. This release is currently available on my Etsy shop. You get 25 of each color for $5, and I always send a sample of extra colors. And my Etsy shop is linked down below. Let me show you the products that I used to create this. I used my Simply Charmed Cricut cartridge, and I used the ice pop right here. I used my Peachy Keen stamps, and I used this little shocked face right there since he has a little bite taken out of his ice cream. The sentiment says birthday suck, and I thought that face went perfect with the sentiment, and that is from this Scrappy Mom's Sassy Pants set, and sadly they're not in business anymore. I did decorate the inside. And this happy birthday is from My Creative Time. Wow, so many candles. The paper for the ice cream is from this Die Cuts with a View stack. This trim is from this ribbon stack from Hobby Lobby, as well as the pom-pom trim. And I use these liquid pearls for some extra accents. The background papers are from the Echo Park collection, Summer Dreams. That is my entry into my challenge for Sweet Treats. I hope you guys like the new color release this month for July 2023. I'm looking forward to seeing all of the entries this month. I thank you guys so much for taking the time to come and visit me in my craft room. Please be sure to drop by Laura's channel and show her some crafty love. I thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye guys.